In this video, we'll walk through how to record and transfer performances using SoundBridge's virtual collaboration feature. You'll see how MIDI and audio recordings are handled between host and guest, how loop recording works for capturing multiple takes, and how recorded material is automatically organized in the sequencer. We'll also cover how latency is managed during sessions and how to manually transfer clips between collaborators. Virtual collaboration is a premium feature included in the Everything Bundle subscription. Free tier users and lifetime license owners can add it as an additional subscription. Additionally, lifetime license owners can opt for a sovereign setup by hosting their own Linux Plus co-turn instances for private, secure, and independent remote sessions. Now that all the tracks have been set up, you're ready to start recording. In the first example, we'll record a MIDI track and demonstrate how the VST audio is automatically exported. After arming the track, record your MIDI performance. When you stop, the host, also known as the producer, receives two separate clips, one with the MIDI data and another with the bounced audio from the VST. In the next example, we'll record a bass guitar using loop recording. Place the loop markers in the position where you want to record, arm the track, and make sure monitoring is enabled on the guest side, aka the musician. Then record multiple takes within the loop. Once recording is complete, the host receives all takes as individual audio blocks. These are automatically placed in separate lanes and aligned correctly in the sequencer. It's also important to understand how latency is handled. The host, also known as producer, receives a latency-compensated preview of the guest/musician's real-time performance. Therefore, recording from host to guest will introduce latency issues. However, recording from guest to host uses a zero-latency buffering method, allowing for a seamless monitoring experience for the musician's performance. Essentially, latency compensation is necessary to provide the real-time live room feel for the producer, while the buffer method provides the zero-latency monitoring experience for the musician. Additionally, you can manually transfer clips between users. To do so, import and select the desired audio or MIDI blocks in the sequencer. Then route the tracks the same way you would for recording. Once the tracks are routed, use the file transfer dialog to transfer the blocks between users. One important note: tracks linked remotely are streamed through the virtual collaboration track. If you want to hear your local playback without interference, simply mute the virtual collaboration track so you can monitor your mix locally. We hope you enjoy this content. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord and make sure you go to www.soundbridge.io to try the free version of SoundBridge. All links in the description. By the way, if you like the music featured in this video, it was entirely made in SoundBridge. Keep making music!